Have you ever run into the situation where you want to use a specific music track for a video, but the length of that music track does not fit with the planned length of your video? If that's the case, stick around. I'll show you a quick and easy way how to get the length of your music track to the desired length of your video. Coming up. Hi there and welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Matthias. I am an underwater cinematographer and filmmaker based here in Zurich, Switzerland. The situation I described before happens on a regular basis to me when I'm shooting for clients. Now, what I used to do previously is lengthen or shorten a specific music track to the desired length of the video. If any one of you has tried this before, you know that it can be very tedious and time consuming. But there is a much easier way how you can get this done with only a few clicks. If you're using the Adobe suite, there is a program in there called Audition, and in that program it is very simple to edit any music track to any desired length that you want to make it. So let's hop on to the computer and I'll show you how it's done. So first you want to open Audition. And once Audition is open, you then want to click onto multi-track up here in the left top corner. It asks you then to name your project and to give it a place for saving. So we'll just use my desktop here. And once this is done, it will open a multi-track session. Now you can take your desired music track and you can just drag it into the top track. Now the track that I've selected here is roughly 3 minutes long, but I need it to be about 1.5 minutes. And there's a very simple way to do this. Down in this lower section here, make sure that you click onto Properties, and then a little further down you'll see a button that says Activate Remix. So pressing this button, now your music track will be analyzed by Audition. It only takes a few moments, and once this is done, you can then define your preferred duration that you want to have the music track in. So as I said, I want to have 1 minute and 30 seconds, so I'll type that in, press enter, and again it only takes a few moments and the music track will be shortened to the defined time. And now if you look closely, you will see that the music track has been cut in several places. Audition even shows you exactly where the music track has been cut. And the really cool thing about this is that it cuts it so it is an invisible cut, or an unhearable cut in that case, because when you play the music track here, let's play it from this section, there is just no way you can tell that there has been a cut made to the music there. And that's the easiest way to get your music track to whichever length you want. It also works if you have a shorter clip, shorter track, and you want to make it longer. You want to have like a background music on a longer video. That works the same way and it works perfectly. Sometimes it can happen though that it doesn't cut perfectly. So if that's the case, what I would suggest you do is just adjust your desired time slightly. So let's say we choose 1 minute and 35 seconds. And by doing that, it will then choose different cuts. It will analyze it again and it should be fine on that second attempt. Once you've got your music track in the desired length and it's been cut by Audition the way you want it to be, you can go to File, Export, and Export Multi-Track. You can do the whole session or the separate clip. It doesn't really matter because you've only got one clip in this instance here. We'll just do the whole session. And again, it will ask you where to save the clip. So we'll just choose a volume. This is our desktop here, and export the clip. And once this has been done, you will find in the place that you wanted to save your clip in the desired length of 1 minute and 34 in this instance here. And that's it, as easy as this. It can save you a ton of time in post-production, not having to do those cuts manually and trying to get it right. Audition does a really good job shortening or extending music clips to whatever length you want them to be. And that was it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. I hope you got something out of it. If that's the case, please do hit that like button. It means a lot. And also consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss out on any further videos about filmmaking, tips and tricks and underwater videography. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.